Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add effects to your video on the Video Star app. So this is different than video effects. This is actually just effects for your videos. So press new and select transform, and here you can choose from some of these. But as you can see, some of these are pro. So you can add in stuff let's go back to the beginning, motion. Oh no, not this one. You can add in stuff like this, and then for instance sharpen, right? Go to edit, and then if you don't want it too sharp, you can adjust the intensity here and the coarseness, of course, over here, and you can see it throughout the whole video if you like it or not. Once you're done with it, you're just going to press create and wait for it to load for a few seconds, depending how long your video is, and you're just going to press done, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!